Here is the information on the ground solar mounting systems by Empery Solar. These systems have versatile foundation design options, including ground screw, concrete and other types to conform to any possible situations, and the added option of customized system design according to individual customer requirements and specific on-site conditions, which gives customers the peace of mind when ordering these. System parts are factory prepared to installation to maximum extent, allowing customers to avoid the need for most on-site works like welding and cutting, making the installation process fast, easy and cost-effective. Beam and base rails are drilled, support legs are completely pre-assembled and need only be opened up and secured to the foundation. Positioning rail clamps are pre-installed, eliminating the need to measure and mark rail positions, and all structural component sizes are made according to required specifications. These system materials include anodized 6005 aluminium alloy and 304 grade stainless steel and Q235 carbon steel, with surface elements made hot dip galvanized, and they also have a 0 to 60 system tilt angle. These materials have excellent corrosion resistant properties, high mechanical strength and durability characteristics. Manufacturer's systems are compatible both with framed and unframed solar modules and come with 25 years service life. With a wind load of up to 60 meters a second and a snow load of up to 1.4 kilonewton a square meter, alongside the durable corrosion-resistant materials, makes these systems suitable to any environment without geographical constraints, meaning they can be installed anywhere in the world. Users' systems layout can be professionally arranged according to customer needs to achieve the optimal cost-performance ratio, and the system design is made according to JIS C8955 2011 Japanese standard. Payment terms with these products are TT and LC and come with 10 years warranty.